All right, you guys, so today is quarantine day 5. I am going to be just showing you clips of what's going on throughout this day. My husband just told me and my brother that that by my brother's house, there was a lady that was on Facebook, and she was recording the whole thing, and a U.S. Marshal stopped her and asked her what she was doing outside of her home, and asked if she had a permit to be outside of the house. Basically, a permit is certain people that are working like essential jobs that can be driving out and about because they're going to work and whatnot. And if she's going to the grocery store, that's fine. But if she's just driving around or doing anything that's not special or important, not special, sorry, that's not important, like going to the grocery store or getting your medication or whatever, then you are ordered to go straight home. So that was interesting. And my brother lives over there, so he's like, what? And he was just over here doing his video audition. So he's like, what do I tell them if they pull me over? So yeah, so that's what's going on today. I guess they're really taking this super serious now. But yeah, I will bring you along throughout my day. I'm just going to show you guys clips of stuff that goes on throughout this day because yeah, I think it's just going to be a scattered video, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. All right, you guys, let's get to this interesting day. Yes, I am.
You're my mom. You're a cute mom.
Aw, thank you. You're cute, Riley.
I need you.
I love you too. And right here, I thought I'd share a clip of my brother putting up the white sheet so we can have that as the drop screen for him while I do his video audition. So, and I'm going to share a little clip of his video audition. I'm not going to have you listen to what he's saying just because for privacy matters for what he's auditioning for. But I thought I'd probably just keep this in here for you guys. I thought it'd be kind of fun for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I think he's doing absolutely incredible. He's doing so much better each time he does this. He is really good at showing his expressions, and like as you can see there, it's kind of scary, but he's really a super nice guy, and I think that he's gonna go really far.
Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? Makes me wonder.
All right, you guys, here is my mini shopping spree. I'm going to start with the soda just because it's probably the least exciting thing in there. But I got a Pepsi, Walter Pepsi Zero Sugar pack. I'm going to keep these hidden away because these are my own sodas. I am so happy about this. I love Walter Pepsi. That's my absolute favorite soda. So I'm going to get it in this zero one. Probably won't taste as good as the regular, but it's all right. It's my very own soda. The kids have their own stuff, and I'll have my own stuff, and I'm happy. All right, and then I got this candle for my kitchen. It is Island Party. It's a 3-wick candle. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. It's just an uplifting smell. It smells like summer. I just absolutely love it. It's $3.33 at Walmart. It smells so good. And then I got this for my couches. Just because, just to freshen it up, make it smell nice, especially if like we have company coming over. Eventually, after this whole quarantine thing stops, we'll have company over. So I got this Febreze, and I love the smell, the Gain smell one. So I got this. This was like $4.97. I got the boys each a Hot Wheel car. Picked them out. Thought they'd really like them, so they each got that. Jaden's been getting a lot of stuff, you guys. So just know that I'm not ignoring her. And then I got these shorts for Riley. They're just like a thick cotton, and they're $3.88. I thought they were really cute and fun. Little paint splatter look to them. Since he's inside the house all the time anyways, who cares if he wears shorts, even though it's not hot enough outside to wear shorts. So I thought these would be nice and cozy for him. Receipt. I actually went there for this only, really. I needed a new cell phone charger cord because it just wasn't doing the job anymore, the one I got recently actually. So I got this 6-foot black web one, and of course I love the color. So I got this for my phone. This was a $9.88 or something like that. It was just under $10. So So I got this for basically 10 bucks. So I hope it works well. And then I really wanted a new scrub brush, one that had like this at the end. They had a Walmart brand one, but it just looked a little bit more chintzy. So, because I like that this has like a spot secure for my thumb too. It just feels more sturdy, I guess. But it's the O Cedar brand, and it was only like 50 cents more, or less than that even. Less than that. Yeah, it was like 30 cents more than the Walmart brand one. So this was like $2.87 or around there. It was under $3, but I really wanted this exact brush, so I got it. I saw this, I've been saying this a lot, I think on Joanna Thornton's YouTube channel. I think it's her that uses it, because I've been binge watching a lot of her videos lately, and she uses this for her kids' clothes. So I got this too. This was, I think, $3.97. And it's a 5-in-1 Power OxiClean Max Force. And I noticed today that Riley got some sauce on his white t-shirt. So I got this because I like his shirt and I wanted to stay nice looking. So this was just under $4. And then I got this Febreze Air Jasmine and Lime scent. This is a limited edition one. This was $2.97. Oh my gosh, you guys. I wish I could share with you how good this smells. I seriously wish I could. It smells so good. It's fresh smelling. It's uplifting. It's just so good. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy I got this. So $2.97 for this one. And again, it's the Febreze Jasmine and Lime. And then I got this right here. It's actually a really big bottle. It's 23 fluid ounces. It's the Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner spray. It's in the scent lavender and argan oil. So yeah, I think this is really nice. It smells really good. So I got this. This was, goodness gracious, I think it was like $3.97 for it. So, but it's pretty big. You get a lot of product in this. So just under $4. And yeah, this is what I got. That was really nice. It smells good. And it's really cool is that like the sticker is kind of 3D a little bit. Like it sticks out a little. I don't know. I just thought it was like a little neat feature, but I can't really tell in the video. But yeah, this smells so good and I cannot wait to use this. And I think that because there's lavender in it, I think, I'm going to use this for when I'm cleaning up at nighttime, just to have like that nice relaxing scent. So yeah, I'm excited to use this tonight. And then I got 2 of these plastic shoe boxes. I got them to, just organize things and store things somewhere. But they're 88 cents each and I got 2 of them. So that was good. And then last but not least, I got this flexible plastic like hamper. It is smaller. Let's see here. It's 1.5 bushel. I have no idea what the heck is a bushel capacity. It's just not that big. So I got this actually to have in my bathroom, so people can stop just throwing their dirty laundry on the floor and making it sloppy. I figure if this is in there, maybe they'll actually make it not look as bad. So that is that. So you guys, that is my mini shopping spree from Walmart. I spent less than $50. All right, and now I'm just going to clean up the dishes that we have out right now. I am so proud of myself. I have been doing really good at keeping up with my dishes and my laundry for the most part.
Late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright. 'Cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how?
So if you're new to my channel, you will not know this, but my dishwasher, no matter what agent I put in the drying part of it, it is not working. So my dishes are getting cleaned, but they're not drying. So I have to hand dry them myself.
But you make me feel fine, and you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy, a little crazy for you. A little crazy for you. Hey. A little crazy for you now.
And I gotta give you an apology. I'm sorry you have to see my incredibly pasty white legs.
A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby.
And if you're curious in what is in that bowl, my daughter Jaden, she made chocolate pancakes for breakfast. So that's what is left over.
We are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. I feel crazy. A little crazy for you, baby. Yeah, yeah. Little crazy for you now. Yeah, crazy for you.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us.
This candle seriously smells so good, and it has a great flow. You can smell it into the living room even.
Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow and me are one. Oh, oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna
The stuff on this cookie sheet is so stuck on that I'm just going to spray this down and let it sit for a bit, and then I'll scrub it and put it in the dishwasher later.
Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me.
Real life, guys, real life.
Oh, oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah.
about to make some much needed coffee. Yeah, I definitely need another pick-me-up. It is so hard to do this one-handed, as you can clearly tell.
Keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Tell me your love.
Oh my goodness, you guys, if you haven't tried this creamer yet, it is so delicious. It's only for a limited time only, but it is so yummy. It tastes like marshmallow peeps. And for lunch, some baked potatoes. And I thought I'd share with you guys that I am definitely binge watching Joanna Thornton's channel. Alright, so while I'm watching Joanna Thornton's channel, I am doing this laundry pile. It's actually 2 loads of laundry that I'm just getting, finally getting to it, fold and then put away. I did not realize that I was not showing you guys the stacks of clothing that I was folding. I didn't realize that camera wasn't on that, but at least hopefully you seeing this mound of laundry getting put away is just motivating enough.
Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside.
And this right here is my shower curtain I cleaned. It just was smelling dingy. So I'm going to be showing you guys me putting it up at the end of this video.
Love you on the inside.
Alright you guys, I'm going to end this video here. I hope it was very motivating and I hope it was entertaining to you as well. If you know anybody that might be living by themselves or if they're older, just give them a call. I know we can't really visit anybody right now, but give them a call. It can definitely brighten up their day and make their week for them. And just the impact of that alone can be very, very good. So just take some time out of your day, 10-15 minutes, and give them a call and just tell them how much you appreciate them, or just check up on them and see how they're doing. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was motivating, and stay tuned for more videos to come. And yeah, definitely subscribe if you have not yet. And stay safe, you guys. We all love you.